today. I hope you all are doing great. Now in this video, as the title of the video says, this is another haul video. You guys liked my last haul video, so I thought of doing another one. I got some stuff from Forever 21 and H&M and also some stuff from Shoppers Stop. So if you want to see what I bought, then please keep on watching. So the first thing I bought was this greyish brownish grey top from H&M. This is from their H&M basic collection, and this is a 3/4 sleeved top, and this is really plain top. There's nothing much to say about it. It's just really warm and cozy and I like it. So the other thing I got from H&M was this cropped purple colored jumper. Now this has white strands and a hood, and I love this sweater because it is like not really thin and not really thick. It just goes with the weather in India because it's not that cold during the daytime, but it's really like cold weather during the mornings and during late at night. So it goes with India's weather, so I really like it. The other thing I got from H&M is this top which is full sleeved, and it has a deep V-neck. You can really use it for layering. You can wear a top or a tank top underneath or a jacket over it because it's really sheer, but it gives you that warmth that you need in the fall/winter weather. So I really like it. So the next thing that I got from H&M is this jacket that I wanted for the longest time, as long as I can remember. It's just this long sleeved jacket, and it has a lot of pockets in it, and I can see myself layering a white top underneath with some black trip jeans and some boots, and it's just really cool, and I've wanted this for the longest time, so I'm really happy that I finally have it. The next thing I bought from H&M is this black oversized jumper, and it has a Mickey on it. It is really oversized. I usually wear a small, but I picked this in a medium because I just like really oversized jumpers, and this is really warm. It is full sleeves. I can see myself wearing this every single night, maybe in the days as well. It came with this grey colored leggings which is stretched at the bottom, and yeah. So the next thing I got from H&M was this beanie. Now it says Meow on it, and as soon as I saw this beanie, I knew it was made for me because a lot of people calls me Meow, and I don't know why. Like a friend of mine gave me a nickname called Meow, which is M-E-A-U, but still a lot of people call me Meow, which is M-E-O-W. So I don't know why do people call me Meow, but I had to get this because it kind of says my name in it, and it has 2 ears, and I just thought it's really cute. Now the next thing I got from H&M was this infinity scarf, and I just love infinity scarves. Like, I don't know, I just like how they are styled. Like, it's so cute. Infinity scarves are just cute. So freaking, it's so warm. Now the next thing I got from H&M is also a scarf. This is just a plain black and white scarf. It's not an infinity scarf. It has these strands at the end. Why am I blinking out? I don't know what this is called. I just can't remember. It has these strands at the end, both ends of the scarf, and it's just a plain white and black scarf. Now the next thing I also got from H&M is this crop top that I am absolutely in love with. I haven't worn it yet, obviously, but I just love how cute this top is. It has spaghetti strands, as you can see, and it just has a plain back. It's just really cute. Now the last thing I got from H&M is this grey colored shrug. It has full sleeves, and it's really long. It has 2 slits on the side of it, and I'm just in love with this shrug because I can just layer it up with any crop top or anything, or I can just carry it around if I want to throw it on in the night or in the morning and take it off during the daytime. So versatile. It can go with literally anything. You can wear it with a dress, you can wear it with a top, but you can literally wear it with anything, and it goes with everything. So it's a must-have. So the first thing I got from Forever 21 is this light brown color. Now it has embroidered detailing in the front and also a net detailing. I hope you guys can see, and it's just really flowy, and I like flowy tops. I'm not someone who wears bodycon tops, so I like how flowy this is, and yeah, it also has a really deep sleeve, so I just love how cute this top looks. Now the other thing that I got from Forever 21 is this blue colored top which has short sleeves, and there's nothing much to say about this top. It has a round neck, and it's just really flowy top. As I said, I like flowy tops, so this is a flowy top, and I can see myself accessorizing this top with my necklaces and stuff. Now the other thing that I got from Forever 21 is this orangish brown color top. Now this is a full sleeves top as well, and it's just a net top, so I can see myself layering this with tank top, or I can wear this underneath a leather jacket or something like that. And I just really like how lightweight this is and how baggy this top is. And the other thing that I got from Forever 21 is this white colored shirt. It has a 3/4 length sleeve, and I can see myself layering this with other stuff or wearing a necklace on it. But yeah, it's just the plain white top. The other thing that I got are these house slippers. Now I am obsessed with how cute these house slippers look. They are so warm and so cozy, and I've already started wearing these. I just bought these like 2 days ago. Look at them, they're so cute. Now coming to Shopper Stop. This is the first thing that I got from Shopper Stop. It's an off-shoulder top, and it has an embroidered detailing in front, and I just love how cute the embroidered detailing it looks. I don't know, I just think it's really cute. Now the other thing that I got is an shrug. It has a detailing in the center of the shrug. It's blue in color, and I don't know, I just like how cute this looks on anything. Actually, it's again a 3/4 length sleeve, and I don't know, it's just cute. Now the other thing that I got from Shopper Stop are these Vero Moda jeans. It's ripped on the knee, on both the knees, for a casual day or something. I got it in this blue color, and I also have one in the black color. And the next thing that I got are these Allen Solly espadrilles. I just love how classy these espadrilles look. It has a really tiny heel that is not so big and not so small. It has fringe detailing in the front, and I just like how the brown color goes with everything. I can wear this with a dress or on jeans, and it will make that outfit look 10 times better. So I just like how cute these espadrilles are. Now the next thing that I got from Shopper Stop are these Tresmod Ballys. Now I just like wearing Ballys every day. I'm not a heel person. I like wearing flats every single day. So there's nothing much to say about it. It just has a pink front and a gold detailing in the between, and it's just a grey color here, and there's just not much to say. They are just plain Ballys. The last thing that I got is this L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24 Hour Stay Fresh Foundation by Nykaa. I like how fast Nykaa's delivery is, because I ordered this day before yesterday and it already came into mail today, and I have already used it. I like this foundation, but I don't like how runny the foundation is. It's really thin, but it is actually easier to apply, so I'm not really sure about the foundation just yet, because I used it only once. But I think I'm going to like, and I think I'm going to get used to it. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know the drill. Like the video, comment down below, share the video, and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Until I see you guys next time, bye, spread love.